It's the great debate in grilling. Charcoal or gas? For most masters of the grill, there is no compromising. You're either in one camp or the other. Let's look at the issues that are inflaming the debate. Gas-fired grilling has the clear benefit of being extremely convenient. Simply turn a knob and say hello to your highly adjustable heat source. Gas grills are fueled by liquid propane stored in refillable tanks. Gas grilling is clean and quick, and once dinner is over, there's no ashy mess to clean up. Return the switch to off, rub a metal brush over the grate, and cleanup time is over. Dunzo! Charcoal grilling, however, might not offer the same level of convenience as gas, but it does boast one benefit that stands out above all others: smoky flavor. The dry, white-hot heat of charcoal sears meat quickly, creating a crusty, caramelized exterior and smoky flavor. Of course, charcoal grilling requires more time and attention than gas, from building and lighting the briquettes to waiting for the coals to get hot to managing the flame, blah, blah, blah. But they are less expensive than gas grills, though the cost of charcoal will add up over the years. Charcoal is also more portable than gas grilling. A bag of charcoal can easily be chucked into the car and taken to the park or beach. What method do you prefer and why? Let us know in the comments below, and happy grilling.